to take a Collins principle, you've become more of a clock builder than a time teller,
Yeah.
right? Because it's more about the machine, even though you've already built a substantial business. And two, you really got to feel what it's like to be a strategic CEO and
Yep.
not have to have the burden of the operations.
And that is liberating. Like I said, that's a
Yes, of
feeling that I
course.
haven't had. And to get to that, I remember first reading about clock building and hearing it when I went to the seminar in Chicago. And it was really hard to figure out how to execute on because I was maybe too stuck in the weeds. The further you get down the path with this, and when clock building becomes something you're part of, it's almost like not only
Yeah.
is the burden taken off, but I can be the CEO the organization needs me to
Yeah.
be. And yeah, it
Yeah.
feels great. It's hard, and I
It
think a lot
is.
of entrepreneurs struggle with that because every entrepreneur is so integral into how the business was built, and one of the challenges that most entrepreneurs have is we know so much about the business. We're versus a hired gun who has that skill set to come in and help turn around or fix something.
Yes.
An entrepreneur that started with this knows every granular detail.